Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove new tag from Instagram. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. Let me tell you that if you want to remove the new tag from your account, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to tap on your profile first. Now let me tell you that if your account is new, then anybody can see the new option under your profile. Okay guys, if you want to remove it guys, then you should wait for 14 days, because after 14 days new tag will be removed. And if you want to remove it early, then what you have to do guys, you simply have to add the post as many as you can, also the stories, or connect with the people as many as you can. Okay guys, use your Instagram account more frequently. So after that guys, you will be old on Instagram, and new tag also will be removed from your profile. Okay guys, you can also tap on three lines here, and for me guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on search again, search for content preferences. And from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to reset your suggested content as well. And after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to use the Instagram app more frequently, and add the post, add the stories, connect with the people, send them DMs, or you can also save the TM. And after that guys, new tag will be removed. If it's not, then you have to wait for 14 days. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.